Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a brief video on 1,000 FUEs on a frontal hairline in a younger Asian guy. And we did another one of these last summer, and that guy should be back for his 1-year visit.
1-year follow-up,
pretty soon. I think we did a video at his 7-month visit, and he looked
good.
good.
He was already growing, yeah.
So here's another one, almost exactly the same guy. He's got really good Asian hair. It's not the typical very fine hair, but more of a beefier, thick hair shaft, and it's very minimal to FUE. We can remove those grafts without avulsing the root. And so here he is before, and then here was our plan. And then here's this donor region at the end of 1,000 FUEs, give or take. And then here he is at the end of the case, and that looks good. And he did a great job cleaning. He came here every day or every other day.
Yeah.
This is a week. And then he was in this morning for his 6-week visit. And so you can look right now, and it looks pretty much like it looked before we got started. And now here's his donor region, which you can't see jack squat going on back there. And even a close-up of his donor region, you can't see those. And those were 0.9 to 1.1 punches. It really just depended on the area of the scalp and what we were going for. So to summarize, FUE definitely works. It's ideal for a guy like this who's got Asian hair that sticks straight out. It would be hard to cover a strip.
It would be hard to cover the linear scars. So, I mean, he really didn't have any other choice other than FUE. And
he had good hair to work with. It didn't fall apart. You know?
Yeah.
And so he lives locally and promised me he'd come back in the summer for a visit, and then about a year from today for a final visit. So if we can help you, please give us a call.